Welcome everyone, Mike with Bowers Barbecue coming to you today from my backyard. There's a trend on Instagram right now where everyone is cooking up bacon wrapped Oreos, so I'm going to give it a try. It's a short video, but should be a good one. Let's start the fire. Okay, for this recipe it's pretty simple. We have our bacon cut in half and our Oreos. So we're going to take an Oreo, place it right here, wrap right here, and we're done. Super simple. So let's get the rest of these taken care of. Okay, so these are wrapped up. We're going to be using Meat Church's Holy Gospel. It's my favorite rub to use on bacon, so I figured this would be a good one here. All right, let's go this on the grill. We're going to smoke these at 250 for about 45 minutes. All right, grill is at 250. We're going to set these down right here. For those curious what kind of pellets I'm using the hickory wood. It's usually my go-to these days when I'm using my pellet smoker. All right, these look good. We'll see them in about 45 minutes. All right, these have been on for about 45 minutes. Looks pretty good. Let's get these inside, let them cool off. These look pretty good. They were hot when they came out. That cream was really, really warm. So I'm gonna let them set here for about 10-15 minutes. So far it's been about half that. And we'll do a taste test. Okay, bear with me, I'm filming kind of solo today. We're going to give these a shot. Again, these look really good there. See what we think. I don't know what to think yet. Let's get another bite. Okay, before I give you my thoughts, let's see what my taste tester thinks. What do you think?
Okay. Shockingly, I like this.
You do like it?
Mm-hmm. I don't think I'd ever say that. It's a weird combination to me, but it tastes good.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, so my taste tester, she liked it. I did not. I don't know. I usually like salty and sweet. This one here didn't do it for me. The bacon tasted fine. The cookie, it reminded me too much of a fried Oreo, which I'm on the fence about whether or not I like. But yeah, this one isn't for me. But again, my daughter absolutely loved it. So let me know in the comments below if you've tried this, and if so, what are your thoughts? All right, thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. The fire is out.